This video shows the complete ASMR restoration of an abandoned BMW that was left forgotten inside a dark, dusty barn for years. There is no music and no talking in this video, only pure, real mechanical sounds designed to help you relax and enjoy every satisfying moment. From gently brushing away thick layers of dust to washing off years of grime, scraping rust, cleaning the engine bay, deep cleaning the interior, and carefully polishing the paint back to a mirror-like finish. Every step is captured up close with natural audio. You will hear the soft wipe of microfiber cloths, the click of tools, the hum of machines, and the calm sound of water and foam working together. This is not just a car restoration. It's a slow, peaceful transformation from rust and neglect into clean German luxury. Put on your headphones, sit back, and enjoy a relaxing ASMR experience that turns an abandoned BMW into something beautiful once again.